Recently, I put out a few posts in various gardening groups on Facebook, asking others why do they love gardening, right? Why do they do gardening? Within 24 hours, I got overwhelming response, right? I got hundreds of comments. I got many people sharing why they love gardening, why they do gardening. There were many interesting comments, like many people say that gardening is therapeutic. It helps to calm you down, help you to de-stress, kind of thing. And there are others say that it connects you, right? Gardening connects you to the nature, to the things around you. And it connects you to something that is beyond just human. Right? So it's really talking about plants, about your environment. Yes, I agree with all these comments. I think gardening is a very powerful way to get in touch with nature around you, around your environment. It helps you to get out of this very noisy and complicated environment, especially when you're working in the office. You come back home, you want some sense of serenity, right? It gives you that sense of serenity. So let me share with you why I love gardening. I think gardening is an activity that you do and your surroundings starts to change or react to what you are doing. Your care for your plants, the things that you do in gardening, right? You're potting up new plants, you're changing the soil, you're trimming the plants, and you help the plants to grow, right? And it also helps the environment to look better. And many other positive effects because of my actions. And all these things give me tremendous sense of achievement. It's a very rewarding feeling, right? To see how you turn what you know, right? You turn your knowledge into results. Your plant starts to grow healthily because you did your research, you gather a lot of information to find out what they actually need, right? You know exactly what the plants need, you know exactly what your environment has, and you combine everything together, you deliver that significant impact. And I got this same feeling, this very similar feelings when I do videos for you. Right? When I see you grow, when I see you get better at gardening, or when I receive positive feedback, I know I have impacted your life in certain way, and that gives me a lot of satisfaction. This is why I run this channel, right? So, and this is also why I wrote a free ebook for you. So this is also why I have been doing a lot of workshops, I have been doing a lot of talks to help others become better gardeners. Because all this activity give me that sense of achievement. And I think this is my calling, right? I enjoy coaching, I enjoy teaching others, I enjoy gardening. So it's very natural for me to become a gardening coach. Right? So if you have any questions about gardening or how to grow certain plants, right, comment below and let me know how I can help you. Because this channel is really not just for me, right? It's more about you and what you want to know to become a better gardener. So watch my other videos too, and I bet that you can learn a lot from all the videos I have today, right? I have 20-30 videos today, and if you have not subscribed to my channel or even our channel, make sure you click on the button below. And until next time, enjoy gardening, and I will see you soon.